wanted to make a quick video about a rear wheel spindle slash paddock stand bobbin for the Honda CB1000R. The reason being because I couldn't find any information and I wasn't sure if the crash bobbin can be used to actually turn the wheel when the bike is checked up on the paddock stand. So for chain maintenance, it's not the best thing, because when you clean it and maintain it, you actually want to turn the wheel while you're doing it. But with this little device, it's good to only check the bike up, because the paddock stand cradle will mark the crash bobbin, and after time it will just wear out slowly. You can see here as I turn the wheel, the crash bobbin turns with it together, and it makes these marks on the plastic. I'll show you on the other side as well. It just spins with the wheel together. I did try to loosen up the bolts inside, the nylock bolts, and even when it was very loose, it was literally just moving in the axle. But didn't make much difference as soon as I checked the bike up and the weight went on it, and it was just the wheel was spinning the crash bobbin in exactly the same way as it's doing it now. So as you can see, it's perfect to lift the back of the bike up to do the cleaning and other maintenance work. But for chain maintenance, I think I will stick to lifting the bike up by the collector box using a piece of wood and a small car jack, and that does the job perfectly, because to be honest, I don't want to spend 180 something pounds on a single-sided paddock stand. So that's gonna be my solution. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.